Just hours after the White House trade advisor Peter Navarro said the trade deal with China was over, he walked back his comments, which had, in the meantime, sent financial markets into a frenzy. Earlier Monday, Navarro said the deal was over when asked on Fox News, and that the, quote, turning point came when the U.S. learned about the coronavirus only after a Chinese delegation left Washington once the Phase 1 trade deal was signed in January. After that, U.S. stock futures went into wild swings, but mostly recovered after Navarro said his Fox News comments, quote, have been taken wildly out of context. Navarro added that, quote, they had nothing at all to do with the Phase 1 trade deal, which continues in place. I was simply speaking to the lack of trust we now have in the Chinese Communist Party after they lied about the origins of the China virus and foisted a pandemic upon the world. Amid the market confusion, President Donald Trump quickly tweeted that the China deal remains, quote, fully intact, and that, quote, hopefully they will continue to live up to the terms of the agreement. Navarro is one of the most outspoken critics of China among Trump's senior advisors. Relations between the two countries have reached their lowest point in years, ever since the global health crisis, which first emerged in China, hit the U.S. particularly hard. On Thursday, Trump renewed his threat to cut ties with China, just a day after Secretary of State Mike Pompeo met with a Chinese delegation in Hawaii, and a U.S. trade representative said he did not consider decoupling the two economies to be a viable option.